Hello, welcome to this our second video in the what we were doing while loop and related problem solving. Maybe I will take this same example with for loop also for your understanding purpose. So in previous video we saw these five programs, and in the classroom I solved this and this two also. So what I will do here, program number ninth. Then product of all digits, 10 number program. Then count and print the total number of digits. That also will do. Reverse I already explained. And after that, I will do this palindrome program. Okay. And one more program, this sum of digit. I will try to cover these programs, right? Which I have done in classroom. Please you do. If any doubt, you let me know. You just uh, put the word in the classroom. We'll solve this together, right? Until you are not understanding, please don't move on. I will try to make all the possible ways to define these things so that you can understand. So let's begin with this. So note down the programs which we are going to do. This ninth, then 10th, 11th, 13th, 14th. These programs will do that. So let's begin. Let me copy this. I will paste as a VS Code. So let me share the VS Code. Uh, Please keep in mind these programs. Okay, we'll do that. Let me open folder in which we are doing our code. Same folder I will use so that we'll have a track in future what we have done. Okay, so now we are in our folder. What I will do here, I will take first program which we wanted to do, that is factorial of a given number. I hope you are aware about what is factorial of a number. So before starting that, let me give you the idea what is factorial number. Okay. So as I copied this, sorry. Okay. And I will talk about this. Okay. What is factorial number? So, calculation of factorial number. Let's say our variable will be n, and for which we will calculate the factorial number. So basically, formula is telling the product of this n minus 1. This is called as a factorial number. Okay. N into n minus 1 factorial. Or else you can just make it n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. And it will go on. It will go on. N minus 1 into n minus 2 into, it will go on till 0 factorial. This is how this will go. If you calculate, you will get the answer. So this kind of a program. Suppose 5 factorial. So what I will do, 5 into next 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 0. But 0 factorial, 1 only. So you take or you can leave. Skip this. Okay. So you calculate. Basically, any number you apply, you will get the answer. So this kind of a program we have to write. Okay, 5 4 20, then 360, then 120. So your answer would be 120. So this program we have to write. So let me add VS Code. Here it is. Now I will take a file fact.py. Understood? Now we are at the here. And let me just snooze this our AI. Fine. Now remove this. Okay. Let me let me start with this. So our task is to calculate, I mean, we have to write the code in Python that to calculate and print the factorial number. And this number will take from the user. Okay. I will try to make it simple. So since we are working on while loop, so let me solve this problem with while loop only. So first I will take number for which I am looking for the factorial. Okay. So int, and then I will ask the user to enter the number for which you are looking for the factorial. And 1 second, let me make it inside the loop. Sorry, parenthesis. I hope now it is correct. What mistake it is telling? Int input. We have to take. Sorry, yes, you have to put here. Okay. Now you have taken one value. Now you know the factorial. I have to beginning assign variable fact. I have taken one variable fact and I assign value 1 because for one you are starting calculation of factorial. Then I will take one variable I which will start the loop and I am assigning this from 1 only. Then while I will apply the logic while I less or equals to n, I mean for which you want to calculate the loop. Now after colon you are coming to inside the factorial calculation inside the loop. So what you will do, into equals to I. Okay, factorial equals to factorial into I. This you want to calculate. Next, you have an slide, you have done initialization condition. Then you have to give this increment operation by 1. Okay, till the condition will true, it will calculate those values. Now come out from the loop and print. Print what you want to print. Factorial of the particular number. Okay, so I'm writing here some message fact of n is. Okay, now just what you will return fact. Okay, this is the program to calculate the factorial. Now let me run it. You see here, it is asking enter the number for which you are looking for. Let's say 5 only. So as per our calculation, this should be what? 120. You see, it is returning the 120. So this is very simple logic to calculate the factorial. But how it is working? Now let me apply the, okay. Let me apply debug. Okay. Start debugging. Now you will understand the flow, how it is working. Okay, fine. Okay. It should come first. Yeah. Now start over. Observe here, variable and everything. You watch what is happening here. And I will apply. Okay. Enter a number. It is asking number. Let's say 5. I hit enter. Oh, sorry. I need to apply the breakpoint. Then start debug. That should come. Yeah. Now start over. So I will take, you observe here. You observe here number. Okay. Number, let's say 5 only. Then you have taken n value 5 from the user. Now you have assigned one variable fact with 1 and one variable I with 1. This beginning you have to assign these two variable. Then start over. Then it is telling you have assigned one variable fact by 1, assigned variable I by 1. Now you are giving the condition in the loop, while loop. You can perform the same program with the for loop also. Let's see this. Later I will explain with for loop also. Then while condition we are giving 1 is less or equal to 1 5, condition is true, it will go inside. Now you beginning only factorial 1, factorial fact value is 1 and I value is 1, so it will return 1 only. Okay, and I again it will get increment by 1, so I become 2 because here 1 plus 1 2. So now it is going there, pointer is going there, calculated factorial 1. Now again I incremented by 2, factorial remain 1. Okay, then again it will go, I become I will come down and I become 3. You observe here I become 3, and this is calculating factorial 2. Okay, then it will go on. I become 3, then 4, then factorial value 5. Now I'm just starting over it, and you see how values are getting changed. Now you come out from the loop and you are getting the output. Now let me take you on the whiteboard. There I will explain so that you will understand it properly. Okay, guys, you have to concentrate because it's all bit technical that you should know. Okay, so let me paste it. Paste it here, and this is the program. Now how it will work out. So this line is nothing but it is telling user, you want to get the input from the user. I hope you are understanding what I'm telling. Now, next, you have initialized the variable fact 1 by 1. Why? Because this is the starting of multiplication. Start multiplication from 1 only. Understood? This is for what purpose? Then you are declaring the I equals to 1. Now, you want to start your condition from 1. So for that, this one. Now, 1 is, let me explain step by step. First step is, it will check condition. 1 is less than equal to, let's say you have taken 5 from the user. So 5, if you observe this, condition is true. If condition is true, you will come inside the for loop. Then what you will calculate? Fact. You see here what you have written. Fact equals to fact into I. You see here, fact at beginning, 1 you have taken. Into I you have taken 1 only. So 1 into 1. So it will return 1. So you have 1 now. And then I will increase by 1 means beginning only I1 plus 1. So I become 2. Now again go to stage 2. Second step. Okay. Now observe here. I will write here step 2. Step 2 you go. Then 2 is less than equal to 5. When this condition will get false? When this while condition will get false? When your condition 6 less than equal to 5. So here only this condition will get false. So that many step it will execute. So condition is true, you will come inside. Again, fact value is 1 only. So 1 into this time I become 2. So 2. So this value become 2. Fact value 2. And I will increase by 1. That is now 3. Okay. Then stays 3. 3 less equals to 5. Condition is true. Come inside. Come inside. What you will do here? What you will do here? Then calculate fact equals to, what was the fact value? 2. 2 into I, 3. 3 means 6. And I will now increase by 1. 3 become 4. Now you check condition in fourth step. 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes. Condition is true. Come inside. Again, fact equals to, now what was the fact value? 6. And what was the I value? 4. Now you calculate it, 24. And I become now 5. Fine. Now, stage 5, we reach to step 5. Now, in the 5 less or equal to 5, condition true, come inside, fact into, fact equals to fact into I, means your fact equals to 5, I mean, previous value 24, so you please write here, fact value 24, okay, and I value 5, it become 125. I equals to, I become increment operator. Here you have been incremented. So I will become 6. Now in the sixth stage, 6 less equals to for this. You see here for this. Okay. Now 6 less equal to 5. Condition false. You will come out from the loop, and what you have calculated fact value at last 120. So it will return 120 as output. This is how this flow will work on. Okay. I hope you got the idea. Now let me take you on again VS Code. And this is how this code will work. So you please revise this video. If you're not understanding, you will get the idea what I'm trying to say here. So this is the logic, how this factorial program will work out. Now I will explain the next program, which is there in our PDF file. And that is, what was that? Uh, we have done factorial. Now we have to calculate, find the product of all digits of a given number. How we'll do that program? Now let me explain that. Okay. So let me explain that so that you will understand it properly. So now I will do this program, find and print the product of all digits of a given number. How I will do? Let me take you on the again whiteboard so that I can explain it what this program means. So our second program today, uh, let me explain it so that you can understand it properly. Suppose you have an input 1, 2, 3, anything, 4. And so I want sum of all digits. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 means 1, 2, 3, add it. 3, 3, 6, 10. So total sum of all digits are coming 10. So this type of program we have to do. Now let me take you on the VS Code. First I will write program, then I will trace it, how it is working out. Okay. So now I am on the VS Code. So let me add one more file, sum digit. Okay, this code.py. This is my new file name. Now here what I will do, I will write the code for what? I will write the code for find and print the product of all digits of a given number. And you saw what the task you have to do. I will take here one variable num equals to integer type of, I will take digit input. Okay. And this is for user input, for which number you wanted to do this work. So enter number one message, enter number. Okay. And this is the message. Now I need to perform product. Okay. I need to perform product or sum. What we have to do? Actually, I need to clarify. Product we have to do. Okay. It was my bad that when I explained, I added actually. Let me take you back on this particular. I want the product of this, not addition. Let me rectify it. Sorry. Then multiply it. So you multiply 2, 6, 24. So the product of all these taken number is 24. This is how you have to do. Sorry. Now come back to the VS Code. Then here we will understand. So let's take one variable product. Okay. And beginning, I will take 1. Okay. I will start from 1. Then I will give the condition while num is greater than 0. Num is greater than 0. Then what I should do here? Remember, today in the today's class only I explained this concept. Digit equals to num percentile. Why we are taking this? See, this I have taken because we want to start our multiplication from here on. Multiplication start from here. Okay, that's why we have taken. Now this is condition, need not to explain. And this why we are taking here. It will give you last digit to get the last digit by calculating the remainder of the particular last digit. Next, what would be the code? Is telling product equals to product into digit. Okay, product into digit. Okay, digit. Now, next we will take the integer division. Okay, integer division. Why? We want to remove the last digit. We want to remove the last digit. So num equals to num into, not into, integer division by 10. What it will return? It will remove the last digit. Okay. Now come out from the loop and print the result. So let me pass some message, the product is simply, and return the product. Okay. This is the code. This code, what it will do, please try to understand what it will do. Okay. This is the comment which I have given. And this, why this is with us? This line basically multiply the digits. Okay. Multiply the digits. Please make sure. And this will use to remove the last digit. I will explain it, don't worry. To remove the last digit. Okay, fine. I hope you got the idea. Maybe video will go half an hour plus. Please watch this completely and revise it so that you can learn this kind of a logic. Okay, and this is for final result. So let me save it, and what I will do here, I will clear it so that our output will come from. uh, okay, now I will run it. How I will run it? So by the code file name is sum of, not sum actually, it is a product. Okay, file name I have taken here strictly. Consider it for product. Okay. Now it is asking number. Okay, this first line, enter the number. So it is asking number. So let's say 1, 2, 3. This is my input. If you multiply it, you will get 6. Okay, take 4. Okay, 3 only. So you see output you are getting 6. But how it is working? Let me debug it so that you can understand. Okay, okay. Start debugging. Python debugger. Okay, asking number. Let me give same number 1, 2, 3. I'm giving. Hit enter. Now you have a num 1, 2, 3. Now you have taken this variable. Okay, from where you want to start the multiplication from 1. Okay, 1 means what? The particular starting point. Then condition. Let me start over. Yeah, num is 123 and it is greater than 0. Okay, correct. You will come inside the loop. Now you are calculating the, what you're calculating, last digit. So num 123 modulus 3, what it will return? 3. What it will return? 3. Now see, digit is 3, product is 1. So your final outcome is coming 3. And it will go on till the condition will true. And from here you will remove the last digit. Now 123 and 3 will remove, 12 will be there. And 12, you see here 12 is greater than 0, fine. It will come inside loop. Now you will calculate it and you see, now you have got the idea. It will go on till the condition is true. Once condition will get false, you will come out from the loop. 0 is greater than 0. No, it will come out and your product is 6. And this is how it is working. Okay. So let me take you on the again whiteboard so that I can explain it properly for you. Now, let me paste my code here. Okay, I have pasted the code. Observe this. Basically, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line, 5 line, 6 line, and 7 line. Total 7 line. But the important part is this will use to get the user input. Let's say my input is 123. Okay. And this line is starting off multiplication. Now, 123 is greater than 0. You observe this. Yes, it is 0, greater than 0. So you will come inside. Now, digit. Digit num 123 modulus 10. What it will return? 3. It will return the remainder 3. Now product equals to product into digit. So beginning product was 1 only. So 1 into 3. What it will return? 3. So product is 3 now. Now next num equals to 123 integer division 10. What it will return? 12. Okay, it will remove the 3 because it is already stored in the product. This is step 1. Now 12. Num equals to 12. Step 2. Step 2 is what? Step 2 is what? Observe here. Again, while 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 Num means 12 is greater than 0. Yes, true. Come inside the loop. Again, you have to calculate it. Digit equals to num. Num is now 12. Modulus 10. What it will return? 2. Okay. Then you have to apply this formula. Product equals to product. Now product is what? 1. Product is what? 1. Sorry. Product was 3. So take it 3. Okay. And digit is 2. Observe this line. Okay. It will return 6. Okay. Now num is what? I have 12. Integer division 10. What it will return? What it will return? 1. Okay. Now third stage. 1 is greater than, observe here. Sorry. Uh, Greater than 0. Yeah. Come inside. Then again digit. Okay. Digit. Digit is what? Uh, num means 1 modulus 10, it will return 0, so product value will be 0, and num is 1, integer division 10, so what it will return, you are understanding now, so it will come out from the loop. So next, if you go fourth stage, so 0 is greater than 0, false here, you will come out and this will return the value 6, and obviously 1 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, which the input we have taken, it will return 6 only. This is how this code is working. I hope you are getting. You revise this video, you will come to know. Okay, now let me take you on the VS Code again. Not VS Code, this our third program. The third program which we wanted to do this count and print the total number of digit of a given number. Okay, I hope you're understanding now what you wanted to do here. So let me share the whiteboard again. Guys, since I'm explaining, maybe it will be a bit longer video, but please, with this, you will understand a lot and run it, understand it. Okay. Now count the digits. What is the meaning of this? Suppose you have uh, input taken like 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 digits. This is what you have to count. This program you have to write. Now let me take you on VS Code directly, and there I will run this code, then I will take you on back. And this time you will get idea. I know you will get the idea. Now you started learning. Okay. If you are really watching and practicing, definitely will learn. So I will go back to the file, count digit. This would be my file name. Okay. Now I have taken this. What I will do here again, I will take. Now I will write the code in short. I will take user input here only. You can take. I will hard code here a value in the num variable. Okay. You can take user input also. It is up to you completely. Now count. Beginning in this I will store, so beginning I'm assigning it 0. Okay. So two variables I have taken num, which is storing the value 1, 2, 3, and count, which will count, okay, later on after the condition. So this variable I have taken beginning only. This logic actually you understood, you have already practiced in the C language. Okay. So now what I will do here, I will perform very simple task. Okay. Digit. Uh, First, I will I will run the loop while num is greater than 0. Yeah. Okay. Then I will calculate num. Now I think AI is working. Now observe here. Fine. This code I wanted to write and it is suggesting now. And this you will come out from the loop and it will print. This is the code. Oh, sorry. This. Okay. Fine. This is the code. This is the variable which you have taken as a user input value. Okay. Variable. You want to be counted. What it will do? Let me write it properly. Initialize count to 0 at beginning. This is third. See, line by line, I am giving the comment also so that you can connect what I wanted to do. Condition. Okay. So continue until num becomes 0. So this condition will get fall when num becomes 0. Okay. Till then it will run the loop. Sorry. Now come here. Why this is? Because you want to remove the last digit from the num. So that's why you are calculating the integer division, right? And now this. For what purpose? Increment the count each digit removed. Okay, this is what. and this become for the final printing the final digits. So this is the code is telling. This code is telling. I hope you are getting what I'm doing here. Now, uh, let me run it. Let me run it so that you can understand it, what it is doing. Hmm? Sorry. PY. What file name is there? Count underscore digit dot py. If I will run it, you see here the number of digits are 3. Why? 1, 2, 3 I have taken. If I will change it, let's say 4, 5. Now 5 digits I have taken. Let me save it. Again, let me run it. Okay. Let me run it. What it is displaying? Number of digits, total 5. Fine. So this is how code is working. You want to trace it, or else you can do by yourself. I am hoping that you can do by yourself. Put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is greater than 5. Yeah. Calculate it. Okay, you do it by yourself. If you are not understanding, tomorrow you let me know. So this is the code by which you can count the number of digits for the taken input. Understood? So as of now, we have done three programs. Now our next task is what we'll do that count the total number of digits for a given number. We have done this. Now reverse we have done in the classroom. Now the very important program to check the number is palindrome or not. Number is palindrome or not. Sometimes the same question is string for a string. So string I will give you as a task. You do. But here check whether number given number is palindrome or not. So first let me share the whiteboard and let me explain what is palindrome. Then I will come to that part. Okay. So what I should do here, this is the program. And in this program, palindrome means what? From left or right, if you read the number should be same. For example, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. What else? What else? 1, 3, 3, 1. You read this. These are the palindrome number. Okay. This kind of a number called as palindrome number. So this program you have to write. How you will write them? How you will write that? So using while loop, how I will do that I'm going to do. This I will explain properly. Huh? So let me take you on again VS Code. Okay. Now you are at VS Code. Let me add one file here. We'll give the file name palindrome. Okay, palindrome.py. Now you are at here. Now you see, I have turned on my this one AI. May you will get suggestions. I will use that because I need to do it fast for you. So enter the number for which you want to get the palindrome. So now I will check with original. Okay, original number and original number with the taken number. If both are same, this will this will use to store the original number for later comparison. Okay, this is the variable initialization I am doing here. Then reverse. Remember today in the classroom how to calculate the reverse that I have taught. Okay, now if number is greater than 0, you see automatically my code came here. If number is greater than 0, this is the, sorry, yeah, okay, fine. One second, guys. Let me take it bit ahead so that you can easily understand it. It is a commented part. Okay. Now this is the code. Okay. What this code is doing, first try to understand. You have taken one in user input variable that is num, whatever value will give, that will check whether the number is palindrome or not. Next, you have taken one more variable called as original number, and you are assigning in that the taken input variable, which will help you to compare whether the number which you have taken that is original number or anything else. And you have to perform the reverse. of that particular. Okay. Then number is greater than 0 or not. Okay. So now if this condition true, you will come inside. Now digit one variable, it will calculate the remainder. For why? It will give you the last digit. You understand what I am doing here to calculate the palindrome. Okay, concept is either you read from left or right. The number should be same only. I mean, whatever you are reading, that should come same. For example, 1 to 1. Either you read from right or left. It will always 1 to 1 only. You can't, I mean, it will not get changed. So you see, reverse order you are doing here, and you want to read from reverse also. In general, standard is number you are writing from left to right. If you are reading the number from right to left, that should be remain same. Then only you are telling that the number is palindrome number. So to do that, you are calculating it through from reverse it. So this is the same formula which we have done in morning. Understood? Same formula we have written, and the same thing in commented part. Now you check if original number is equals to reverse number, you will say it palindrome. Otherwise, it is not palindrome. Let me save it and let me clear it, and then I will. Now let me run this code py, and I have given palindrome name of the program palindrome.py. Hit enter, enter number. If I will take 533, is it palindrome number? Is it palindrome number? First of all, as per rule, it is not a palindrome number. That I should get the answer. It's not a palindrome number, and which is working perfectly. So it is not a palindrome number. Now again, I will check. Okay, now again it is asking enter the number. This time I will take 121. Now it is a palindrome number. You read from left or right, it is same only. You read from left side or reverse order, you will read it 1 to 1 only. So the number is palindrome. One more time, you take 1331. You read it from left or right, it will remain same. Number is palindrome only. So this concept is there. Okay. Now let me take you on the whiteboard, and here I will explain it properly. I will decode what exactly happening here. Hmm? Then only it will make some sort of sense. And let me delete, oh sorry, let me make it some small so that it will be visible. Okay. Okay, now let me debug it, how it will work out. So one variable num you have taken from the user, let's say value is 533, which we have given. For this we will check, and then we'll check for 121 and 1331 I will give for you. Okay. This we have taken for later on to check the comparison. Okay. And this is for reverse. So multiple conditions are going on. Now you are checking condition 533. Suppose first input is 533 is greater than 0. Condition is false. Condition is false. Now come down. Digit. Digit equals to digit equals to 533. Okay. Remainder calculation 3 to get the last digit. Okay, you see here it is written. Now calculate the reverse. Reverse into reverse. Reverse beginning 0 into 10 plus digit is 3. So this is 3 now. Now num equals to 533, and floor division or integer division 10. What it will return? It will return 53. Okay. I hope you are getting what I'm doing here. Next. Now num become 53. Now again, second stage. 53 is greater than 0. Yeah, condition is true. You will come inside. Digit. Again, repeat the same thing. 53, remainder 10. What it will return? Again, it is returning 3. Again, it is returning 3. Next, reverse calculation. Here, reverse is 3. 3 into what is the condition? 10 plus digit. Digit is what? Digit is what? I have 3. Digit is what? I have 3. Now, what it will return? 33. 33. Num 53. Floor division 10. What it will return? Uh, what it will return? Floor division 5. It will return 5. So again, third stage, 5 is greater than 0. Yeah, condition is true. Still you are inside loop. Then again, it will calculate digit. It will go on. It will go on. And you will get that 3, 3, 5. You will get the output. Is it equals to 533? Condition false. It will come out and it will say not palindrome. It will execute the else part. Okay, when you will compare your reverse value and the original value, this will be not true. Now, let me take you again on the same code. This time, this time I will, okay. This time, let's take 121. User input 121. Now, you understood these two things. Now come to condition part. 121 is greater than 0. Apply the while loop condition. Yes, condition is true. Come inside this one and calculate digits. This is the standard to get the reverse of that. Okay. Since palindrome, either you read from this side or reverse side, that should be same only. That's why we are calculating reverse order. Okay. Now number is what? 121. Calculate remainder 10. Remainder is 1. Okay, fine. Reverse. Reverse into beginning reverse is 0. Now 10 plus what is digit value? 1. Now next num. Num equals to number is 121. Integer division, what it will return? 12. Okay, now num become 12. So one first step, second step. Okay, second step. Second step, 12 is greater than 0. Apply the condition. Yes, it is greater than 0. Condition is true. Come inside. Again, calculate digit. Again, you have to apply the loop until condition will not get false. So digit, digit equals to 12 modulus 10, what it will return? 2. So you are getting remainder 2. Now reverse equals to what was the previous this one? 1 only reverse. So 1 into 10 plus 2. What it will return? 10 plus 12. It is returning 12. Now num. Third step. Num means 12 and this one. Integer division. What it will return? 1. Now again we go for third step. 1 is greater than 0. Again check the condition. Yes, it is correct. Calculate it. Digit, digit, digit equals to num. Num is what? 1. 1 remainder 10. What is 0? Remainder is 0. And 1 second guys. A small correction. This remainder is 1. Okay. Now reverse. Calculate reverse. And what was the previous reverse value? 12. 12 multiplied by 10 plus what is digit? 1. What is digit? 1. Next, num. If you calculate this reverse is equal to 121. And the exact taken value also 1. Num. 1 floor division 10. It will return 0. Now num becomes 0. Now 0 is greater than 0. Condition false. You will come out from the loop and come here. Original value was 121. Original value was 121. Last reverse value which you got, that is equals to 121. Condition true. So this is palindrome. This is how it will work. Okay. I hope you got the idea. You revise this video. If you are not getting, you will come to know what I'm doing here. And guys, you have to do paperwork also. I'm telling you, you have to do paperwork. Take the code, apply the logic, then only will understand it. Okay. It's not as easy as you are thinking. Internally, interpreter is taking it in this way only. Today's last program that I'm going to explain. So let me take you on the PDF file so I can explain what is the last program we are proposing here. So reverse already done, palindrome also done. Find the and print the sum of digits of the given number. This program will do that. Okay. Let me take you on again whiteboard. What this code means. Let me explain it. This is the program which will count the sum of digit. Okay. You see here what I will do here. This suppose one one 123. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now previous was product. This is going to be you got the idea. This is going to be sum of the all the digits and it will return 6. If something else, okay, like that. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 5. Whatever you will get, that is your output. This I wanted to do. How I will do? I will use the same product program to make this. Okay. So let me take you on VS Code, and small changes I will do in the product program. This one, actually this only I will use, and I will take here some digit one dot py, since already one program is there by mistake that we have done product. See, in this program we have done product. So here what I will do, I will do sum of all the digits. Okay, and I will this time take here sum instead of product. I will take sum, and I will beginning assign it 0, then num, and same thing, everything will same only. That's only one small change you have to do here. Sum equals to sum plus digit, and you have to store this all inside the sum only. Understood? Understood? Now everything will remain same, and that you return sum. Add it. Next. This code you want. I'm going to remove this. You got the idea why we are taking these steps and variables. Okay. Now let me save it. So you have taken one variable num for which you want to perform the addition of all the digits. Then one empty variable sum, which we'll use to later on store the all the sum of the digits. Whatever num you will take, that will get compared in this while condition, and if condition true, it will come inside and it will calculate all these, and at the end it will return the sum of entire work. Okay, now let me run it, and you understood. I will not explain this, you are understanding this. Okay, let me run it. What I will do first, let me clear it so that we can see properly. So okay, py sum digit 1.py. Okay. Now enter the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say this is my number. If you add it, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Expected output 15. It is coming. It's quite obvious. So guys, I think 5 programs we have done, all good programs. You please watch this video again and again and try to understand. If you have any doubt, please ask in the classroom so that I can help you out. And please watch this all. Okay, this for your benefit only I'm recording. So these 5 programs I have done. Now let me take you back on the PDF. So till here we have done. Next, whatever programs, Armstrong number, perfect number, prime numbers, Fibonacci series, sum of Fibonacci series, and then square of each number. These programs we'll do one by one. Don't worry, we'll do that. Okay, we'll do that. It will take some time. Some part I am doing. Now you are putting practice, so you will get the idea. Okay, so you do some from your end also. Here only I am stopping this video, and please utilize these things. Okay, this is for your practices purpose only. Okay, thank you for watching this, and make up utilization. Okay.